What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight I have a special treat for you. Tonight's going to be the beginning of a series review I'm going to be doing for a company I just found. Actually, it was on Etsy. I found the company, checked it out, looked at all the names, the characters, the theme. It goes with one of my favorite holidays, which is pretty much close, Halloween. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another product review. This one's going to be a series. I came across the company on Etsy and I instantly fell in love with it because it has the whole Halloween vibe. Little backstory about the reason why I like Halloween. Before my mother died, we'd always decorate the house outside with blow-ups, graveyards, just you name it, we had it in the yard. I think it was 4 or 5 times we actually made the news from our area. It was pretty cool. But then unfortunately my mother passed away and it just kind of, like, I don't know, just kind of drifted off. But when I seen this company, I immediately thought of her and our love for Halloween, the whole family thing. The company is called the Undead Beard King. The owner's name is Mr. Undead. The ingredients are raw, organic ingredients. He hails from Las Vegas, and somewhere throughout the series, I'm going to be posting a picture of this gentleman. Absolute amazing guy. I've talked to him several times. He has a love and passion for colognes, for horror movie icons. You know, Freddy, Jason, Leatherface. That happens to be my personal favorite. My child is actually 3 years old and he loves Jason. He loves Michael Myers. He loves. Granted, we don't let him watch it because that would be pretty bad, but he understands kind of they're bad guys and so on and so forth. This gentleman created this product, this whole business, because he knew he was competing with other beard brands that was either hit or miss on. It was good on one thing and crappy on the other. The scent would be awesome, but the feel in beard would be bad, or vice versa. As I just said, he has a love for cologne scents, so his line is mainly made up of popular cologne scents. He wanted to come up with a butter and oil that would moisturize, condition your beard all day long without having to reapply. And in his awesome imagination, he would always think about what kind of cologne Michael Myers would be wearing if he was in that movie, or what kind of cologne Jason. Just really cool, down to earth guy. His costumes, he dresses up for Halloween, like I said, are absolutely amazing. I'll put still photos throughout the series and just show you guys what this gentleman's all about. He just wanted to be unique, different, create a product of nothing like anything else, in which I think, in my own opinion, he's done a pretty damn good job creating these products. The whole theme, the feel, just the sense, it's the total package, in my own opinion. He's tested the product 3 months on himself just to make that that perfect product. There was a lot of trial and error. And when he finally came to what he liked, he loved, what felt good, what smelled good, and lasted, and conditioned his beard, he just went with it. And the best thing about this company, he's not doing this to make any type of profit. He's just doing this as a hobby. He enjoys it, and I think that's what stands out to me. This is his hobby. He enjoys to do it. He's not looking for a profit. He's not looking to be rich. He just does it because he has the passion for it, and that's in my eyes, that's awesome. With each order, the customer will get like a random gift, whatever he's feeling at the time of packaging said order. Just like random horror gifts, little dolls, stickers, car fresheners. He's just got the whole thing. It's just, to me, in my eyes, in my own opinion, absolutely top-notch company. When I go over prices, you guys are gonna be like, what? So without further ado, we're gonna get into the Undead Beard King. We'll go over his business cards first. I hope you guys can see that. Focus. There we go. On the back. And what's cool about his business cards is he's got all his scents on the back. And one of my favorite parts of what else he sent, like a whole crap ton of like horror icon stickers. Like, how cool is that? I mean, there's a billion here. Another personal touch he sent, some random car fresheners, which totally killed it. I love this. This is so cool. And I haven't used any of these because I don't really want to take them out of the package. You got the Mummy. This one's a cinnamon scent. This was one of my favorite movies growing up. Of course, Michael Myers. Really awesome. There's a Frankenstein. Another favorite of mine. I think this, I'm pretty sure this is Pumpkinhead. Yeah, so just ridiculously awesome. The first one we'll go over is called Crowley. Now check this out. This is oud and teak wood. Just look how cool those bottles are. And the thickness of the oil is super thick. I'm gonna try to get a close up on this. I hope you guys can see that. It's just super thick. And I'll tell you about feel and beard here in a second. The ingredients in his oils are sweet almond oil, coconut oil, moringa oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, meadowfoam seed oil, and essential oils for fragrances. And like I said, this is oud and teak wood. And then you get that awesome, that nice cologne-ish type scent. And every single one of these, 13 of them, the scents are absolutely crazy good. I mean, they last all freaking day. This was one of my favorites. And like I said, it was oud wood and teak wood. And just look at the design on that. How cool is that? And this is just like a perfect timing to do these reviews because Halloween's just around the corner. And the butter, this was my favorite part. Of course, there's the front of the top of the butter. And the ingredients in the butters, he's actually got it on the back of the oils, mango butter and shea butter. All organic. And the butter is absolutely, it's a whipped butter. I don't know if you can see that, but look how soft that is. Put that, I'll get some out. I actually got this in beard. And as you can see, sorry about the light, guys, it's real harsh. You can see it running. I mean, it's just crazy. Oh man, it smells so freaking good. Just absolutely amazing what this gentleman has come up with as far as scents, feel in beard. This is the best part. The feel in beard. I have never had a product work, feel, go this good in my beard. It's hard to explain because, you know, I've had products that that went well with my beard. They went, you know, made my beard super soft. You know, felt real like real cushiony, feathery, light. You know, when I used the oil and butter of this company, if you want to style your beard, you can get away with just using the oil. It's super thick, but once you add the butter after the oil, it becomes a whole new ball game with your beard. This is just my opinion, guys. This is the experience that I've had with these products. My beard hasn't been this soft ever. I mean, a lot of you guys are probably saying, "Oh yeah, right, whatever." I mean, you're entitled to that. I've used these products several times. feel in beard is absolutely amazing to me. I highly recommend you check this company out. The prices, I'll put the prices right here, and you're not gonna believe these prices. Yes, cheap. Why it's cheap? Like I said in the beginning, he didn't come up with this company to make a profit. He loves mixing these products. He loves doing this. He loves Halloween. He loves all these characters. He loves horror icons. Jason, Freddy, you name it. This gentleman is infatuated with, as I am. I'm a big horror movie fan, big buff. But anyway, I'm sorry, I'm rambling. The next one is called Carnival, and it's his version of Creed Aventus. I want to say, let me see that to make sure. Creed Aventus, and the same thing. It's that popular Creed scent. Oh man, super good. And again, his oils are clear, super thick. I mean, just look at that. Same ingredients, and then you'll see each one of his characters. I apologize about the light, guys. Each one of his characters has like different colors and different patterns behind it. Super cool. Same with the butter. Absolutely amazing. And as you can see, I believe this one was one of the ones that melted. As you can see, the little hole. But again, I mean, just look at that. I mean, actually, you know what? I'm gonna throw some of this in. We'll go do a little bit of mixing here. Again, it melts. Just absolute crazy. Rub it in, all gone, nothing in the hand. Oh, so good. A little bit of extra on the arms and the tattoos. Another thing with this, it soaks into your skin really well. You guys seen I was rubbing it in, and you can't see nothing wet or nothing. It's like it just evaporates into your skin. It's so awesome. I highly recommend you guys check this company out. With the prices, you'd be crazy not to buy a combo. They're just absolutely amazing for the price, for the grade of quality of these products. Just simply amazing. One more thing I want to get up and show you guys. He sent my son this, and I had to borrow it for this start of this series. So check this seed out. He sent me a beach towel with Friday the 13th, and of course Jason's mask. Now, how awesome is that? I mean, this guy is down to earth, really good guy, and he's doing this for the love of making these products. I'll leave everything in the description box, guys. Check him out, hit him up. He's on Etsy. He don't have a website yet. I'll leave his Etsy page in the description. I want to say a huge thank you to Mr. Undead for the opportunity for me to do this. I super appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the series. I apologize, this video is a little bit longer than usual, but I wanted to make sure I get all the details in, what this company is about, and make sure you guys check them out. You won't be disappointed. Until the next review, guys, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Till the next one, peace, guys.